Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm making a fairy garden tablescape. Now when I was designing this, I was thinking of my 5-year-old niece and what she thinks of when she reads about Tinkerbell and fairies and books like that, like what is in her imagination, and I wanted to bring that to my tablescape while still being a Nadia tablescape, meaning I still needed it to be not too crowded. I still needed it to be kind of flowing and elegant. So let's see what I come up with. But before we get started, I wanted to mention that this is part of a collaboration. This tablescape collaboration is part of the Summer Fairy Garden Tablescape, and it is hosted by our sweet Grandma Sandy. It's co-hosted by Glamour Ellen, Decorating Ant's Place, Gigi Faison, Lady Cinnamon, and Linny's World. I will have all the ladies' channels in the description box below, along with the playlist for this challenge. Now, let's get started on the tablescape. I'm starting with a simple cotton tablecloth. Then I'm bringing in a fun fabric. I got this at Joint Fabrics, and let me show you what it looks like. Pretty much, one layered. And the cool thing about this fabric, it does iridesce in different colors. But the thing is, the more you layer on, the thicker it gets and the pinker it will get. And Joint Fabric has this in a few color shades, but I will be using the pink one today. Next, I'm bringing this grass or moss runner in, and I got it for 50% off at Hobby Lobby. It was $40 originally, so I paid $20. Not bad. Next, I'm going to grab this lantern that I got for $4.24 on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I do have 2 of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this metal part right here. And then I'm going to grab a runner that I bought on Amazon. I'll add it down in the description box. And I cut it in half because I'm going to have 2, as I said. And I'm just going to kind of shove the roses in there. And just make sure they're placed nicely. I'm going to take the tags off, of course. Next, I'm bringing in these beautiful crystal lily pads, and I got these for $14.99 at Home Goods. And they are so iridescent and beautiful. And I'm going to put them to the side of my lanterns. It might not show right now on camera. I'm sorry because of the angle. But you will be able to see it in the reveal. But I'm just putting it to the side. And now for our main attraction. I borrowed this book from 2 sweet little girls. And it is called Pixie Hollow Pop-Up. And it's all about fairies. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Here's this one, and then look at this. It opens up, I hope you guys can see this, into a tree. Now, I could use this in the center, but it's going to be hard to hold it. So I am going to be using a different one that has a lot of fairies. It's just so pretty. So I'm going to put this at the center of our table. I hope that's a better view for you guys to see a little better. So next, I'm going to bring in these napkin ring holders, and they have bark on them. I've used them just not too long ago in the Rooster Rustic Farmhouse Tablescape, and I'm going to use them as a little vase. Basically, I needed something to hold my book down because it's a full book of pop-ups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack 2 of them on top of each other. And of course I want to fill those in. So I decided to grab this Dollar Tree little succulent and it looks like this. And basically the reason I'm grabbing this one because it's green and it's going to bring that grass into the picture, and I'm just taking it off the little thing that it came in, and I'm just going to put them right in. How simple, beautiful, and now we have more 3D popping up, and it just looks like part of the table. Now this is going to be a Royal Albert table setting, and I know I've been using my Royal Albert quite a bit, but it is what it is. I just thought with these roses and everything, it just went so well. So that is why we're using that. And of course, what's a fairy tablescape without some fairy lights? What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hide it in one of these lanterns, the actual little battery pack. And then I'm just going to go around. Okay, and now we are ready to work on the table setting. I'm going to start with these white little chargers I got on Amazon. Next, I'm going to be using my Royal Albert dinner plate. I just wanted to show you how pretty it is. It is plated with gold on the edges, and it is so pretty. But you know what? I've heard so many people who got these on really, really good sales, or even sometimes when people sell these, you can get really nice deals on these. I decided to condense the tablescape just a little bit there. Next, I'm bringing in these 100% cotton calicut napkins, and I absolutely love these fabric napkins. I have these in a few colors, and I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to open it up, and about 1/3 in, I'm going to fold it behind my dinner plate and let the front kind of hang off. Maybe 1/4 actually. For my salad plate, I'm going to be using this elegant pink plate, and it is by St. Ives. And I'm going to place it right on top. Next, I'm coming in with these plates right here, and these are for bread and butter, and I'm going to put them right on top, and it's just going to make this gorgeous, gorgeous, elegant table setting. Next, I have some glasses right here, and these are stemless, and I'm going to put them straight in the corner. And by the way, let me show you what they look like. They're iridescent and absolutely stunning. Look how pretty these are. And I got these at Marshall's. Next, I have my Royal Albert little teacup saucers, and I'm going to put them next, basically diagonally from the glass. And of course, now the sweet little cups. These are just, I don't know, Royal Albert really did a good job with designing these. They're just so elegant and so beautiful. For my flatware, I'm going to be using my Gorham set that has a gold edging on the side. Now, how can I have a setting for a little girl without some rock candy? And I'm going to put it actually in that creamer. Next, I'm grabbing this beautiful floral bushel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 rose ones off and 2 of these off. And if you take a look, These yellowish ones work and pink ones work also. And I'm just going to do one pink here, one pink there, yellow, and then yellow. And then I'm going to grab some greenery I have on hand, and it's actually the same greenery that is in these little roses. And I'm just going to put some greenery underneath and then the rose on top. And of course, all that's left is to turn on my little fairy lights.